and awareness, health awareness, because this is where many people have been failing these days. Not po tayo may sakit. This project has brought like-minded people, people who are in authority in this field of domain, together to showcase what we all need to know relating to good health, for well-being, for sickness prevention, and the approach to treatment in the early stages of any sickness, for the purpose of self-preservation, so that we can live long and enjoy our lives to the fullest. As the old adage says, health is wealth. What is good if we can gain riches, but with a poor health? So having this in mind, let us all explore and see for ourselves what this project can offer for the benefit of our health. As we hear and learn from our speakers firsthand and look around from our exhibitors, what they have to offer, all for our well-being. This is the heart of God, that He wishes above all that we prosper much, so in our health, for our body is a gift from God. We honor God by being a good steward of our body. If we cannot manage our body, what then can we manage? It will all begin with us. This is the awareness that we have in this event. So without further ado, marami pong salamat at magandang bagay po muli sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay!
Hindi lamang mga Christians ang aking pasyente, kundi pati na rin ang mga Muslim.
Well, we're very happy that we finally opened up the first North Luzon Alternative Wellness Bazaar. And we're very thankful for all who supported us in this endeavor, lalo na ating mga media partners and the Department of Tourism. Now, ating DOT, syempre, ang suporta nila is all out because it's in line with their wellness tourism for our entire Philippines. So we must promote hindi lang yung turismo about our health and wellness. And why not start in the Cordilleras?